I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to rearrange apps on the Apple CarPlay screen. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Step 2. Scroll down the menu and tap General. Step 3. Tap CarPlay in the General Settings menu. Step 4. Select your specific vehicle from the list of paired cars. Step 5. Navigate to the Customize section and then tap Apps in this section to see your current app layout. Step 6. Press and hold the 3 horizontal lines next to any app name and then drag it up or down to change its position in this list. The apps at the very top of this list will appear on the first page of your CarPlay display, so put your most used features there. If you ever make a mistake and want to start over from scratch, you can easily reset your dashboard to its original layout. On that same CarPlay customization screen on your iPhone, simply tap the Reset button in the top right corner and confirm your choice. This will instantly restore the factory default app layout for your car. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.